Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If you want to learn English and feel motivated every day, you are in the right place. Let us listen to a short motivational story in simple English. Today's topic is Your past does not define you. Nickel often felt trapped by his past mistakes and believed they defined his future completely. He remembered failures daily and allowed guilt to control his confidence and self belief. Because of this mindset, he avoided opportunities and feared making new mistakes again. One quiet morning, Nikhil realized his past was only a lesson, not a permanent identity. He decided to forgive himself and stop thinking negative stories about his life. Each new day become a chance to choose better actions and healthier thoughts. Slowly, he replaced regret with learning and responsibility for present decisions. His confidence began growing as his actions aligned with positive intentions. People noticed his change and responded differently to his renewed attitude. Nicole learned growth begins when you stop punishing yourself for past decisions. He focused more on effort and less on previous failures. With consistent effort, his mindset becomes stronger and more hopeful daily. The past lost its power when Nicole chose progress over regret. He understood that today's action shape tomorrow's results. Nicole finally believed his future is still open and full of possibilities. The core of the story is your past teaches you, but it does not define you. Listen again and repeat to improve your English. Stay motivated. See you in the next story. Thank you.